I am going to teach 8th standard mathematics chapter 6 statistics exercise 6.1 fill in the blanks. First Roman, data has already been collected by some other person is dash data. So there are two types here. One is primary data and another one is secondary data. So primary data is collected directly. Secondary data means someone person. Already the data is collected by someone person. We collect the data. That means secondary data. So first question answer, data has already been collected by some other person is secondary data. So first question answer, secondary data. Second question, the upper limit of class interval is, so this is class interval 25 to 35. This is not minus, 25 to 35. So this is lower limit, this one is upper limit. So our question is the upper limit of class interval. The upper limit of class interval. This whole set is called class interval 25 to 35. Here 35 is upper limit. So second one answer is 35. The upper limit of class interval is 35. Next third question. The range of data 200, 15, 20 extra up to 196 is dash. So you know range. So range is nothing but range is equal to largest value minus smallest value. So from this data, which one is largest and which one is smallest? So observe this. The largest data is 200 and the smallest one is 3. So the difference between largest and smallest, largest value minus smallest value, 200 minus 3, 200 minus 3, that is range. So 200 minus 3, we know 197. So the range of the data is 197. So this is a formula we use to find range. So range is equal to largest value minus smallest value. So here L denotes largest value, S denotes smallest value. So in this problem, largest value is 200 and smallest value is 3. So 200 minus 3 is 197. Next, if a class size is 10 and the range is 80, the number of classes are. So here also one more formula we have. So number of classes we need to find. So number of classes is equal to range by class size. The formula range by class size. So number of classes equal to range by class size. We know range value is 80 and class size is 10. 0, 0 cancel, we get 8. So fourth Roman answer, if a class size is 10 and the range is 80, then the number of classes are 8. So fourth Roman answer is 8. Next, pie chart is dash graph. So pie chart is a circular graph. So listen, so this is a example of pie chart. So pie chart is a circular representation, a graph, circular graph. So pie chart is a circular graph. Next, second question, say true or false. Inclusive series is continuous series. You know, inclusive series is discontinuous series. Here given is inclusive series is continuous series. So this is false statement. Right? Comparison of parts of whole may be done by a pie chart. Yes, this statement is true. Comparison of parts of whole may be done by a pie chart. So this statement is true. And third one, media and business people use pie chart. Yes, media person and business people use pie chart. This is also true statement. A pie diagram is a circular broken down into component sectors. Yes, you know pie chart. So this is an example of one pie chart. So this is a sector. So sector means sector is a closed figure in two radii and an arc is called sector, right? So here the given statement is a pie diagram is a circular broken down into component sector. Yes, this also true. So first one, inclusive series is a continuous series. This is false statement because inclusive series is discontinuous series. That is a true one. So first Roman false, second and true, third and fourth are true. Next, third sum. Represent the following data in ungrouped frequency table which gives the number of children in 25 families. So the number of children in each family. First family, one child. Second, 3 children. And third family, no children, and so on. 25 families. So our question is represent the data in ungrouped frequency table. Ungrouped frequency table. So this is very easy, right? So draw one table like so. Right here, number of children. Number of children. Here tally mark. And the third heading is frequency, right? So here the least data is 0 and the largest one is 6. So least value 0 and the largest is 6. So we want right here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many families have no children? So 1, 2 families. So here write 2 lines here. So how many families have 1 children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 family having only 1 children. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 family having only 1 children. Next, how many families have 2 children? Like 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here also 6 data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So right here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Next, number of children in 3 children. Family having 3 children. Right? Family having 3 children. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4. Right here 4 line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, number of families having 4 children. So 1, 2 and 3. So only 3. Here you want to write 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Next, number of families having 5 children. 1, 2, 3. So here we want to write 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Next, number of families having 6 children. So only 1 6 is there. So right here 1 line. So so number of families having 0 children. No children means 2. So right here 2. How many lines are there? 2 lines. 1, 2. Right here 2. Here 6. Here also 6. 4, 3, 3 and 1. So total 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 plus 4 is 18. 18 plus 3, 21. 21 plus 3, 24. 24 plus 1, 25. So totally 25. So this is a ungrouped frequency table. Next, fourth question. Form a continuous frequency distribution table for the marks obtained by 30 students in a 10th standard public examination. So these are the marks obtained by 30 students in 10th public examination. Our question is form a continuous frequency distribution. So continuous frequency distribution means you want to choose class intervals, right? So here class interval CI denotes class interval, and tally mark, and here frequency. So frequency. So listen, what is the least mark here? So least mark is 157. And the highest mark is 400 and above, right? 400 and here 55 and 495. So least mark in between 100 and 200, and the highest mark in between 400 to 500. So divide the classes are 100 to 200 and 200 to 300. 300 to 400 and 400 to 500. So we divide 4 class intervals. First one is 100 to 200, 200 to 300, 300 to 400, 400 to 500. Because the minimum mark in between 100 and 200. So first class interval is take 100 to 200. The maximum mark in between 400 and 500, that is 495. So we take 400 to 500 is the last class interval, right? So how many students in between 100 and 200, right? So 324. So 324 in between what? 300 to 400, right? So right here one line. Next 470. So 470 in between 400 to 500. So like here one line. 405 also lies between 400 and 500. Like one more line here. Right? 3 data are completed. 375. 375 lies between 300 to 400. So right here one line. 298. 298 lies between 200 and 300. So right here one line. 326. 326 lies between 300 to 400. So right here one line. Check out here. 276. 276 lies between 200 to 300. So right here. 362. Right here one line. 410 lies between 400 to 500. So right here one line. 255 lies between 200 to 300. So right here one line. 391. 391 lies between 300 to 400. So write a cross mark that denotes 5. Right? 370 lies between same 300 to 400. Right here one line. 455 lies between 400 to 500. Lies here one. Right here. Next 229 lies between 200 to 300. Draw one line. 300 lies between what? 300 lies between 300 to 400. So we want to write here one line. 183. So 183 lies between 100 and 200. So right here one line. 283. 283 lies between 200 to 300. So draw one cross line that denotes totally 5. Next, 366 lies between 300 to 400. So right here, one line. 400. So 400 lies between 400 to 500. Draw one cross mark. 495 here. 215. Listen here. 157 lies between here. 374 right here. 374. 306 also right here. Draw one cross line like this. So our 280 lies between 200 to 300. So draw one line here. 409 lies between 400 to 500. So draw one line here. 321 lies between 300 to 400. So draw one line here. 269 lies between 200 to 300. 398 lies between 300 to 400. So draw one line here. Finally 200. So 200 is lies between 200 to 300. We want to write the second class interval. So here one. So count these lines and write our respective frequencies. So here 1, 2, 2 lines. We want to write 2. The 25 plus 4 is 9. So 5, 10, 12. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. Here 5 plus 2 is 7. So total got 2 plus 9 is 11. 11 plus 12 is 23. 23 plus 7 is 30. So totally 30. So this is a form of continuous frequency distribution table. Next, fifth question. A paint company asked a group of students about their favorite colors and made a pie chart of their findings. Find the information to answer the following questions. So this is a given pie chart. So this pie chart represents the group of students about their favorite colors. Right? So this sector region is a pink in color. This sector red. This sector is blue in color, and this sector represent green, and this sector represent yellow in color. Right? So 30% of students, our favorite color is pink. 20% of students' favorite color red, 25% of student favorite color blue, and 15% of student favorite color is green, and the remaining is yellow. The remaining students means 30 plus 20 is 50, 50 plus 25 is 75, 75 plus 15 is 90. The remaining is what? 10. So 10% of students, our favorite color is yellow, right? So we want to answer totally 6 questions. What percent of students like red color? So first question is, what percent of students like red color? So look, so this sector region represent the students. 20% of students, our favorite color is red. So our question is, what percent of student like red color? Percent of student. So 20% of student like red color. So first question answer 20%. Right? 20% of students like red color. Next, how many students like the green color? So our question is, how many students? So number of students. We want to find number of students liked red color, green color. We want to find number of students liked green color. So this region, this sector region represent green color. So 15% of total students like green color. but we want to find total number of students, right? 10% of total students like, that is 50 students like yellow color. So 10 percentage of x equal to 50. That means 10 percentage of total number of students is equal to 50. 50 denotes what? Number of students whose favorite color is yellow. Right? 10% means 10 by 100 into x is equal to 50. 0, 0 cancel. Send this 10 to right side, we get x equal to 500. So total number of students is 500. Total number of students is 500. Out of 500, 15% of their favorite color is green. Right? So 15 percentage of 500. You want to find 15 percentage of 500. So 15 by 100 into 500. So zeros cancel. 5 into 15. 5 into 15 is 75. So 75 students, their favorite color is green. So how many students like green color? So second question answer is 75. So 75 students, their favorite color is green. Next, what fraction of the students like blue? So what fraction of the students like blue? Listen here. So given pie chart, this sector region represent the number of students or percentage of students, the favorite color is blue. So 25% of students, the favorite color is blue. So our question is, what fraction of the students like blue? So 25% means what? 25% means 25 by 100, right? You know, 25th table, 125 is 25, 4 25s are 100, so our answer is 1 by 4. So what fraction of the students like blue? The answer is 1 by 4. So this is our third question answer. What fraction of the student like blue? 1 by 4 is our required fraction. Next, how many students did not like red in color? So how many students did not like red color? So totally 500 students. Out of 500, 20% of students like red color, right? 20% of students like red color. Remaining 80 are did not like red color. So 80% of 500. You want to find the value 80% of 500, because how many students did not like red color? The number of students, the percentage of students like red color is 20%. The remaining percentage is what? 80. So 80% of students did not like red color. So 80 by 100 into 500. So here are zeros and zeros cancel. 5 into 80, 5 into 0, 0. 5 8s are 400. So 400 students. So how many students did not like red color? 400 students did not like red color. So our fourth question answer is 400. So 400 students did not like red color. Next, how many students liked pink or blue? So here also you want to find number of students. How many students liked pink or blue? So percentage of students like pink is 25, the 30, and percentage of students like blue is 25, right? So 30% of 500 and 25% of 500. So we want to find 30% of 500 and 25% of 500. So 30 by 100 into 500. So 0 zeros cancel. 5 3s are 15. So this is 150. So 150 students, their favorite color is pink. 25 by 100 into 500. 0 zeros cancel. 5 into 25 is 125. So 125 students, their favorite color is blue. 150 students, Their favorite color is pink. So our question is, how many students like pink or blue? Pink or blue means we want to add these two results. We want to add 150 and 125. So 150 and 125 is 100, 250, 275. So our fifth question answer is 275. So how many students liked pink or blue? Totally 275. So 275 students like pink or blue. Next, how many students were asked about their favorite colors? So how many students were asked about their favorite colors? That means you will write total number of students. So your total number of students is what? 500. So our final question answer is 500. Next, sixth sum. A survey gives the following information of food items prepared by people. Draw pie chart. So given is a table. The survey gives the following information of food items prepared by people. So your item name, first row represent item name and second row represent number of people prepared the items. The number of people is 160, 90, 80 up to 40. So you want to find so our question is draw pie chart. So pie chart is a circular graph, right? Pie chart is a circular graph. You want to central angle. So central angle of each component. So central angle of each component is equal to value of the component by total value into 360 degree. So this is the formula. So items, number of people and central angle of component. So central angle of component is value of the component by total value into 360 degree. So your item name is vegetable, number of people 160. Next meat, number of people 90. Next salad, number of people 80. Next fruits, number of people 50. Next waters, number of people 30. Last bread, number of people is 40. So central angle means, you know the formula, value of component by total value into 360 degree. So value of the component by total value into 360 degree. So value of the component is 160 by total value is 450 into 360 degree. So add this all values, we get total value. 160 plus 40 is 200, 290, 370 and 400, 450, right? Here 0 and 0 cancel, 5 nines are 45, 4 nines are 36, 1 5 is 5, and the remaining 3 5s are 15, remaining 1, 2 5s are 10. So 32 into 4. 32 into 4 is 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. So this is 128 degree. Next, you want to find central angle of component. Here value of component is 90 by 450 into 360 degree, right? 0 and 0 cancel, or 0 and 0 cancel. 4 nines are 5 nines are 1 5 is 5, This is 1 5 is 5, remaining 4 8. 8 5s are 40. So 18 into 40. 4 8s are 32. Remaining 3. 4 1 is 4 plus 3 7. So 72 degree. Next, value of component is 80. 80 by 450 into 360 degree. 0 0 cancel. 4 9s are 5 9s are 1 5 is 5. 1 5 is 5, remaining 3. 6 times 6 5s are 30. 16 4s are 4 6 are 24. Remaining 2. 4 1 is 4 plus 2 is 6 64 degree. Next, fruits value is 50 and total value is 450 into 360 degree. So 0 and 0 cancel. 1 5 is 5. 9 5s are 45. 1 9 is 9. 40. So this is 40 degree. Next, value of component is 30 by 450 into 360 degree. 0 0 cancel. 5 9s are 45. 4 9s are 36. 1 5 is 5. 6 6 4s are 24 degree. Next, value of component is 40 by 450 into 360 degree. 0 0 cancel. 4 9s are 36. 5 9s are 45. 1 5 is 5. 8 5s are 40. 8 4s are 32 degree. So totally 360 degree. Listen, 8 plus 2 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. 14 plus 4 is 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. 0. Remaining is 2. 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 7 11. 11 plus 6 is 17. 17 plus 4 is 21. 21 plus 2 is 23. 23 plus 3 is 26. 6. Remaining 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Totally 360 degree. So here our question is, draw pie chart. Draw a pie chart. So the value of component by total value into 360 degree. There is a central angle of component formula. So we know all the central angles. Vegetable 128 degree, meat 72 degree, salad 64, and so bread is 32 degree. Right? So our question is, draw pie chart. If you want to draw one circle or any suitable radius, right? So draw one circle, mark a center is. So this is a center of circle. So draw one radius here, right? So the first component is vegetable. What is the central angle of first component? 128 degree. So take a protractor and fix here. 128 degree is a obtuse angle. So this perpendicular line represents 90 degree. So 90, next is 100, next is 110, next is 120 and 128. So use protractor, mark 128 degree and write here 128 degree. So this is vegetable. So this sector represent the number of people prepare vegetable. Next component is meat. The central angle of meat is 72 degree. So take your protractor and fix like here. So protractor fix here and mark 72 degree. So 72 degree. So 72 degree is meat. So this sector represent meat. Next, salad. So salad is central angle is 64 degree. So place the protractor here. It means this is a protractor. Means you want to place this line. You want to place on this line. So third component angle is 64 degree. So draw one line. And this angle is 64 degree. This sector salad. This sector represent salad. Next, fruits. Central angle is 40 degree. So keep keep your protector here and measure 40 degree. So this is 40 degree and this represent fruits. Next, keep your protector on this line and mark 24 degree. Mark 24 degree and draw a line. So this sector is 24 degree and this sector represent sprouts. And last one is bread, that is 32 degree. Right? So this is our required pie chart. 8th question. Monthly expenditure of Kumaran's family is given below. Draw suitable pie chart. Also find the amount spent for education. If Kumaran spends 6,000 for rent. Second question, what is the total salary of Kumaran? Third question, how much did he spend for food then education? So here expenses in percentage. So the monthly expenditure of Kumaran's family is given below. So Kumaran's family expenditure for food is 50%, for education 20%, rent 15%, transport 5% and miscellaneous is 10%. So draw a suitable pie chart. Also find the following 3 questions. Question answers. Find the amount spent for education if Kumaran spends 6,000 for rent. 6,000 for rent. Kumaran spends 15% of salary as a rent. So 15% of X, right? X denotes total salary is 6,000. So for his total salary, 15% amount is 6,000. So 15 by 100 into X equal to 6,000. X is equal to 6,000 into 100 by 15, right? So 3 5s are 15, 2 5s are 10, that is 20, 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, so this is 2,000. 2,000 into 20, 0 0 0 0 and 4, 40,000. So 40,000 is Kumaran's salary. So what is the total salary of Kumaran? That is second question answer, 40,000 rupees. So Kumaran's total salary is 40,000. Find the amount spent for education if Kumaran spends 6,000 for rent. The amount spent for education. We want to find amount spent for education. So education, Kumaran spends 20% of total salary. So 20% of 40,000. You want to find 20% of 40,000. It is 20 by 100 into 40,000. Zeros and zeros cancel. Remaining we have 400 into 20. 0 0 0. 2 4s are 8. So 8,000 rupees. Find the amount spent for education means rupees 8,000. So Kumaran spent 8,000 rupees for education. Next, how much did he spend for food then education? Kumaran spends food is 50% of the total salary, right? So 50% of 40,000 is 20,000. So Kumaran spends 20,000 rupees for food and 8,000 rupees for education. What is the difference? 20,000 and 8,000. That is 12,000. So 12,000 is last question answer. How much did he spend for food then education? Rupees 12,000. So first question answer is 8,000, second is 40,000 and third one is 12,000. particulars here expenses in percentage and central angle of component, right? So here particular is food, next one is education, next is rent, next is transport, and next is miscellaneous. Percentage for food is 50%, 20%, 15%, 5%, and 10%. Next, we want to find central angle of each component. So central angle of each component is percentage value by 100 into 360 degree. Percentage value by 100 into 360 degree. 15 by 100 into 360. 5 by 100 into 360. 10 by 100 into 360 degree. So work out this, we get central angle of each component. So 150 is 50, 250s are 100, 12 is 2, 12 is 2 remaining 1, 8 2s are 16, so this is 180 degree. So here is 0, 0, one more 0, 0 cancel, 2 into 36 is 72 degree. So here 0, 0 cancel, 3 5s are 15, 2 5s are 10, 1 2 is 2, 1 8. 18 into 3, 3 8s are 24, remaining 2, 1 3 is 3 plus 2 is 554 degree. 0 0 cancel, 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, 1 2 is 2, 18, so this is 18 degree. 0 0, one more 0 0 cancel, so this is 36 degree. So total 0 plus 2 is 2, plus 4 6, 6 plus 8 14, 14 plus 6 is 20, 0 remaining 2, 2 plus 8 10, 10 plus 7 17, 17 plus 5 is 22, 23 and 26 6, remaining 2 plus 1 is 3. So total is 360 degree, right? So the central angle of food is 180 degree and each component is 180 degree, 72, 54, 18 degree and 36 degree. So draw one suitable circle for any radius. So mark center as O. So draw a radius like this. So what is our first component angle? The central angle is 180 degree. We know. So this one is 180 degree. So draw one diameter. So the central angle of food is 180 degree. Next, central angle of education, next component is 72 degree. So place your protractor here and mark 72 degree. And this sector represent education, 72 degree. Next, central angle is 54 degree. So place your protractor here and mark 54 degree. So this is 54 degree. This one is rent. So this sector represent rent. Next angle is 18 degree. Right? Next angle is 18 degree. So this one is 18 degree. This represent transport. And final one represent miscellaneous. Right? So this is our required pie chart.